Yo, what's up, guys? I was kind of 50-50 on if I was going to record today. This might just be a throwaway video, and I'll just post it in the middle of the week or some shit. But it's Future Mech. I'm in Marzana. I'm waiting for the girl to warm up. And we're meet out in South Sac in my old neighborhood. So this is going to see a lot of people that I know. Hopefully a lot of people. Locally Inspired is co-hosting. Bankrupt is co-hosting. So I'm hoping it's a good meet. So I will see you guys in a bit. Yo, when I said I wanted to do a cruise today, this is not what I fucking meant! This shit is ass! I passed the Supra earlier! At this speed! Bruh! This is not the Bay Area! This is not LA! This is Sacramento Valley! Fuck this shit, bro. This is dumb as hell. Talk about 4-minute slowdown my ass. Hell yeah. Honda Fit, baby. Yeah. Only do that once it opens up, guys. Do not speed. Do not fucking do dumb shit on the freeway when the fucking bumper to bumper traffic, when there's like a decent moderate amount of traffic. Only do that shit when it opens up. If you do that shit when there's heavy traffic, I'm gonna beat your ass personally. Which one? But one of the boys is behind us. I'll put their at when I get it. Let's go, gang. Somebody's fucking fooling around. Let's go see what it is. I've just been crashing out today. I need to calm down. Nigga! Come on, bro, let me go. What the fuck? As you can hear, they're getting too wild out here, bruh. They're doing, it's a sideshow at this point. So I'm leaving. I'm going with locally inspired. We're gonna go get some fucking tacos, bruh. Oh fuck, I gotta go.